Voting over. It's time to reveal who you think is the weakest link.
Lovely Susu!
The lepers.
The leprechauns.
We wrote down...
Sue!
Roley Mo.
Oh, the leprechauns.
Nobby,
Leprechauns.
Yes, the leprechauns.
What?
You are the weakest link. Bye.
Sue, what about that voting result?
That's right. She said it wasn't fair because there's two of us. Well, there's two of us, but there's only half a grade.
Yes. And as for Anne Robinson,
I knew they'd think there was nepotism involved.
I know, it's the ginger thing.
That's
it's
right.
the ginger thing,
Yes.
isn't it?
She's not really our mother.
No, she could be our sister. I'd marry her.
Voting over. It's time to reveal who you think is the weakest link.
Zippy and George.
Otis the Anteater.
Sorry, mate, it's Otis as well.
It's Otis.
Sorry,
You're sorry.
Zippy and George.
Oh, it's Otis, you definitely Otis.
Zippy and George.
Otis, I'm afraid.
You are the weakest link. Goodbye.
When I get back to Woolloomooloo, where I live, my friends will pull my leg forever and a day. I am now officially a twonk. I think the puppet special is the greatest thing on earth. Remember, viewers, there's no face like foam. There's no face like foam. There's no face...
Voting over. It's time to reveal who you think is the weakest link.
Is it me? Oh, right. Sorry about that. Sue the Beaver.
I know they're icons, but Zippy and George.
I don't know what we wrote. Zippy and George.
Sorry.
So sorry, Zippy and George.
Nobby!
Zippy and George. Sorry.
You're my dear friends, but I'm sorry, Zippy and George.
You are the weakest link.
I wasn't really, no. I think it's really all my fault, like, because I'm so good at these things, you know. But George, I lost it a bit. No, you lost it a good lot, you did. You never really gave me a chance. Look, I'm ever so sorry, yes. I know we just had a difficult time, yes.
Voting over. It's time to reveal who you think is the weakest link.
Neville.
Jelly and Jackson.
Oh, what?
Neville.
Sorry.
Little Nev.
Roley Rat.
Sorry, Nev.
I win.
Nev, you are the weakest link. Come on.
Sue, pretty. Shh, secret. Dinner. Later. Groovy. Love you, Sue. Wait, love you, Anne.
Voting over. It's time to reveal who you think is the weakest link.
Roley Mo.
Jelly and Jackson.
Roley Mo.
Oh, Roland Rat.
Nobby.
You are the weakest link. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Cheerio. Cheerio. Yes,
I'm sure that everybody will have been watching in Thimble Valley. And you know something? Even though I'm the weakest link here, when I get back home, everybody will make me feel like a winner. And after all, it's the taking part that matters, isn't it?
Voting over. It's time to reveal who you think is the weakest link.
Jackson and Pollock.
Jelly and Jackson.
Nobby the sheep.
Yeah. Jelly and Jackson.
You are the weakest link. Goodbye.
It was so fun playing the weakest link, wasn't it, Jackson? It was like a quiz.
It was like a quiz. I never knew I knew all those things.
No, neither
but it
did
must be
I.
because we live in a library.
And we're clever.
Very clever.
Voting over, it's time to reveal who you think is the weakest link.
The Knobster.
The Ratster.
Difficult one, Nobby.
You are the weakest link.
Ta-ta!
I think when you look around the panel tonight, we were a pretty motley crew, a strange assortment of beasts. But I think we did all right, you know. We're not as thick as we look, which in my case is probably just as well. I'm looking forward to getting back to the flock, heading a big cheer and a hero's welcome, because if I'd done really badly, they probably would have thrown me a barbecue.